50-year-old suspect confesses to killing Khanice Jackson. While we are yet to hear the charges laid against 50-year-old mechanic Robert Fowler, otherwise called Bakra, it has been reported that he confessed to committing the crime. Jackson, an accounting clerk who also resides in Portmore, went missing on Wednesday, March 24 after leaving home for work. Her body was discovered on Friday morning in the vicinity of the Portmore fishing village. Deputy Commissioner of Police Fitzbailey said Fowler would often take Jackson to and from work. The suspect was arrested in the Halfway Tree area hours after the body of the female was discovered, before being slapped with the murder charge on Tuesday, March 30th. According to the police, following further investigations, they were also able to recover a number of items belonging to Jackson, including a handbag and a banking card at the home of Fowler. Detectives reportedly also found evidence that the victim was sexually assaulted before she was killed. Police sources have also revealed that Fowler took investigators to several locations where he attempted to dump the body of the female. Reports from the Waterford police are that Jackson had been missing since Wednesday, March 24th, after she had left home for work about 8 a.m. Family members and friends later launched a desperate search to locate the female when she failed to return home. The search would end in tragedy after the body of Jackson was found along Dyke Road.
On Tuesday, March 30, 2021, Mr. Robert Fowler, 50 years old, mechanic of a Portmore address and employed to Bowler's Motoring World, was charged with the murder of Khanice Jackson, accounts clerk of a St. Catherine address and formerly employed to Polyfoods Limited located in Crossroads. The circumstances which led to the arrest and charge of Robert Fowler is that on Wednesday, the 24th of March 2021, Miss Khanice Jackson, aged 20 years old, left her residence in Portmore, St. Catherine, at 7 a.m. for work. She did not turn up for work, and efforts to contact her were unsuccessful. A report was made to the police, that's the Caymanas police, at 8 p.m. that same day. As a result of the report, investigation into a missing person commenced and the appropriate protocol were established. On Friday, the 26th of March 2021, the body of a female was discovered at the whole fishing village in Portmore, St. Catherine, that is in the vicinity of the Dyke Road. The body was later identified as Khanice Jackson, who was reported missing. Investigation led the police to Crossroads, where Mr. Fowler was taken into custody. After further investigation and interview, the police was able to recover a number of physical items, including a handbag suspected to be that of Miss Jackson, as well as a banking card and other physical evidence. The accused also gave a caution statement that was recorded in the presence of his attorney. It is to be noted that based on investigation, the victim was killed between 7 a.m. and 9 a.m. in the morning that she left for work. After the postmortem result, it will be determined if additional charges will be preferred against the accused. I want to point out at this time that during the investigation, the accused actually took the officers to a number of locations, including a location somewhere in Portmore, where he indicated that he tried to dispose of the body of the victim, but for some reason, he actually removed it from that location and took the body to the location where she was discovered. He also took the police to an address in Crossroads where he claimed that certain items of clothing were disposed of. When the police went and searched, it was not discovered, as we believe that it could have been taken by the garbage collectors. Investigation continues. I also want to point out that a piece of garment, a shamai to be specific, was also discovered, which is very critical to the investigation. He will appear before the court on the 9th of April 2021, where he will answer to the charge.
DCP, can you...
So family, Bakra, Doti Bakra, has finally confessed. I guess it is safe to say he confessed to what almost every Jamaican knew already, that he was the one who murdered Khanice. But honestly, deep down, there's a sense of relief that they have caught the killer. But further down, there is this pain that him not going to get what him duly deserve. We all crying out for justice for Khanice, but will Bakra really meet in Waterloo, or will he get what is really due unto him? I don't know, but it just sad. It brings tears to know that such a brute, a selfish brute, could end the life of a promising young woman. Her future was ahead of her. She was only 20. This man have lived 30 more years than Khanice. And this is all him could accomplish in him life. If he kidnap the woman, picnic, rape her, and kill her. Dear Jesus, you wanna talk to me so bit. Tell me what you wanna think about this man. Make we hear we voice justice for Khanice. It might sound simple, it might look simple, it might look stupid, but we never know. Our voice might be heard somewhere. No man, it hard to comprehend how a man, 50-year-old great tone brute, can look upon the woman, young green grass pitney. Look how much woman they bought. One careless man like him. $1,000 could have carried me on a back road, can not go on now. $1,000 could have carried me on a back road if him did one woman so bad. Jesus, boy, no sir. Alright, you rape her. Jesus Christ, left her now, leave her. Yes, me know, say, you know, say, she a go report you. Run away, go about your business, no man, go somewhere, go live your new life now. And left her, make she pick up the pieces and live, try live a life, no? Just run away, you done rape her, run away. When she tell police, you run away. And go and left her with her life. Why you have to kill her? Jesus. And this young man would have say, why you do it drunk, bro? No, sir. Anyway, family. Why me I go end my little ranting yes, but my heart full. And as we go to bed tonight, tomorrow, whenever, just breathe a word of prayer for the family, our loved ones, and for all of the other women who have gone missing. And we not hear about them. Breathe a word for them family. Jasmine Dean come to mind. Pray for her family. They need closure. Pray for the others that are gone missing and the other women who are constantly living in abusive relationships. Just breathe a word of prayer for them now. And as usual, be alert, be vigilant, and take care of yourself until we come back here so again. Peace out.